Welcome to Pacific Padlock, a PAC lock. It was sent to me by Lockmania, but it's actually a gift from Starrylock. So, both of you, thank you very much. Yeah, actually I intended to make a little video about picking this wonderful lock. However, I destroyed it in the process of picking it the first time. Yeah, unfortunately this lock is not working properly anymore. I picked it once before I turned on the camera, and then I realized that the core was very hard to turn back, and when I did it with the help of a screwdriver, it closed, but then the key stops here and it's not wanting to go in any further. When you feel with your pick, you can feel one high pin, like 4 or so, number 4, that really is not wanting to get pushed anymore. So it's stiff, it doesn't move at all. Yeah, I don't know what I did to this lock. I turned the plug only a little bit. I mean, not more than the plate here would allow it for the key. I don't know what I did, but now it's not working properly anymore. I can still pick it, and that's what I want to do, but the key is not functioning anymore. So let's see if I can pick it. That's number 5, I believe. It all feels really nice inside, like serrated pins. It's nice feedback here. It's not a trivial pick, so these locks are very good, I believe. I think they have a good reputation. But it's very unfortunate that this lock is not working anymore. So I touched, I don't know, 5 again, and the core turned a little further. 2. Oops, that was not a good sound. It was 2. I think I got it. A few serrations. 1 again. I thought it was open, but I think we're close. And we're open. Yeah, so you can see it's picked, but turning the plug back requires some effort. So you can see it doesn't want to turn back. I have pushed in the shackle, and when I overcome the initial resistance, then it turns. Yeah, and there is an area of movement where it's very easy to turn here. So it's reset and it's locked up, but it's not functioning anymore. So if any one of you have an idea, what could have caused the trouble here, let me know in the comments. Well, other than that, thanks for watching, happy picking, and bye bye.